How to troubleshoot common issues in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. If the app crashes or freezes, try closing it completely and reopening it. Restarting your device can also help resolve temporary glitches. If you experience slow performance, check your internet connection and close any other apps running in the background to free up memory. For problems with savings or exporting images, make sure the app has permission to access your storage. You can check this in your device settings under App Permissions. If filters, tools, or features are not working properly, try updating Photoleap to the latest version via the Play Store. Clearing the app cache can also help fix minor issues. To do this, go to your device settings, find Photoleap in the app list, and tap Clear Cache. If none of these steps work, uninstalling and reinstalling the app may solve persistent problems. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot common issues in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.